your goal is to lose some weight, then cycling is a fantastic way to do it. There's some more good news, because if cycling is your end goal, losing weight whilst maintaining power will make you faster.
Yeah, so for example, a 75 kilogram rider cycling up a long hill would actually get to the top a minute quicker if they lost just 2 kilos in weight.
Yeah, and take that example to the extreme, and the differences are huge. So a 90 kilogram rider who manages to lose 10 kilos under those exact same conditions will save almost 5.5 minutes.
So what are the best ways to lose weight then? Well, coming up are 5 quick and easy tips that will help you do just that.
Yeah, you're going to burn far more calories per hour on a really hard, intense ride than on a long jaunt in the saddle. At the end of the day, losing weight is all about burning more calories than you're consuming. Plus, there's the added benefit that you generally feel slightly less hungry to overeat once you get through the door.
Now here at GCN, we've got quite a few short, intense sessions that you can do indoors. And if you incorporate 2 or 3 of those into your weekly training routine, you're definitely going to be on your way.
Drinking water is really good for you, and not only that, it can also act as a little bit of an appetite suppressant. You know, after you've had a fair bit, you won't feel quite so hungry. So here's a neat little trick for you. When you get in from your ride, drink a really big glass of water, maybe a pint or so, before you have your meal. Let it settle in your stomach, and that way when you do come to having your meal, you won't feel quite so hungry, and therefore you'll be a little less likely to overeat. And you can also use this trick before your main meals of the day, breakfast, lunch and dinner, and even before your mid-morning and mid-afternoon snack. Happy days. Cheers.
Tip number 3, eat little and often on rides of over 90 minutes in duration.
That's right, studies have shown that post-exercise oxygen consumption can actually help the burning of fat. So the best way to get into that state is to do some hard intensity efforts towards the end of a ride. And that way, your body will still be burning loads of calories, even when you're sat on the sofa. How good is that?
Yeah, that's the best thing ever.
Our final tip is to make goals and to keep them written down, along with a chart of your weight. Now, make sure that you keep your goals achievable, because there's nothing worse than setting goals that aren't attainable.
Yeah, and as Matt said, you should also keep a regular track of your weight, as long as you do it at the same time each and every day. So if you keep some kind of graph of your weight, then what you should find over time, a number of months, is that the general trend of the line is going downwards towards your ultimate goal.
So there you have it. To try and lose weight, make sure you incorporate plenty of high intensity riding, drink water strategically, eat regularly on longer rides, throw in a couple of intervals at the end of your steady rides, make goals and write them down.
Yeah, very simple.